Yes, it
Yeah,
is
it's
visible.
visible.
You were right. So, guys,
Yes,
welcome back
visible.
to.
I
Uh,
sorry.
sorry, should
Uh,
you have something to discuss?
yeah. So actually, I have a doubt regarding the previous class, Power BI. So like, I'm not sure. Like now, I should discuss or later on.
Let's discuss this in the doubt session, Pashwati, okay?
Okay.
Because most of the people are new, they don't know what is
Yeah.
Power BI and all. So we will
Yeah. Yeah.
discuss in the doubt session, okay? Fine.
Yeah.
Nadeem, what about you? You have something or it is accidentally unmuted? Okay, that's fine. Let's move forward, guys. So welcome to KSR Data Vision, guys. So today is the first free preview session on Power Platform, okay? So today we will be discussing about Power Platform introduction. Okay, so consider it as, guys, day zero of Power Platform with AI and Copilot course. Okay, so it will be very basic session, guys. Today, we will be building the foundation. We will be setting the expectations right. What you can expect from us, what is Power Platform, what you will be going through in next upcoming few months, right? And how we can help you to become industry relevant after this course. Okay. So let's start with it, guys. Let's start with your understanding where you stand. What do you mean by Power Platform, guys? Obviously, you know this buzzword, right? So that's why all of you are here in the class today.
Yeah, it's no code, low code platform.
Okay.
Power
Here,
Platform is an ecosystem with multiple applications like Power Pages, Power Apps, Power
Okay.
Automate, Power Virtual Agents, and all.
Okay.
here we make business solutions for companies.
Very good. Yeah, Kamlesh.
The platform is a set of Microsoft tools.
Okay, good. And guys, can I make one request to all of you? Can you please join with your real names rather than like masking your names? I can see some of you have joined with your email IDs, right? And some of you, I can see your device names, okay? Like Oppo, iPhone, and all. So not now. You can take care of this thing tomorrow. Someone has joined with name Crime Master Gogo. So I'm not sure like whether it's a real name or something else. Okay, fine, guys. Very good. You are almost on the similar lines what I was expecting, like being a beginner. So Power Platform, guys. So before understanding Power Platform, I will try to take your attention to the already existing products from Microsoft. So I will try to draw something here that will help you to go through the PPT in 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. All of you must be knowing Office 365 products from Microsoft, right? Guys, you know about these products?
Yes.
Can you name
Yeah.
those?
Yeah. Yes.
Can you name these products which are in O365?
Yes. Power
Okay.
Apps,
For apps. Okay.
Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents, Power BI.
Are you sure these are O365 products?
No, Word,
No, no, no.
Excel,
Excel,
Perfect
PowerPoint,
Word,
Word,
PowerPoint.
Excel, PowerPoint.
Very good.
SharePoint
It will
Online,
be Excel, Word, PowerPoint,
Loop,
SharePoint Online,
Teams.
SharePoint,
OneDrive.
Teams, and so on. List is long, right?
Yes.
So, what is 365? All of you know this, right? So, Office 365 is a suite of products from Microsoft which will have lot of child products, and every child products is solving a separate problem. Like Excel, it is for managing the data, isn't it? You can do data analysis, you can do lots of other stuff here. Word is for documentation. PPT is for presentations. SharePoint is for, again, data and sites, isn't it? Teams is for communications, right? Do you agree?
Yes.
So, and this is a suite of products by
Microsoft.
Microsoft or Google. Microsoft, right?
Microsoft. Yeah.
Very good. So similarly, like Microsoft has launched Office 365, I think since long back, right? Might be, I think when most of us were in our early teenage, right? So then it was launched and it is still here and it is part of the Windows ecosystem now, right? You can't imagine your life without these products, right? If these products are not there, so then might be your system is body without soul, isn't it? Right, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. So, guys, one thing that I want to make very clear. So, if you're attending my session for the first time, so guys, my basic expectation from you is acknowledgement. Okay. So, when I'm asking question, when I'm asking the acknowledgement, whether you got it or not, please respond. Okay. It should not be one-way communication where I am coming, I'm delivering the session, and okay, that's done. So let's make it two-way. You can go ahead, you can acknowledge, and then we will move ahead. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So now, guys, Power Platform. So Power Platform is the similar set of products which has lots of other offerings which is solving a separate problem, and it is from the same organization called as Microsoft. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we can if you want to define it further, so you can say low code no code stack. Okay, this is low code no code products which will solve the business problems. Okay. So I will not write a lot of definitions here. Rather than I will try to take the help of visuals to try to explain you. I will try to create a flowchart kind of thing. Okay. So first product which is there in Power Platform is called as Power BI. Second product which is there in Power Platform is called as Power Apps. Then the third product which is called in Power Platform is called as Power Pages. Okay. Then the next one, which is in the Power Platform, can be called as Power Automate. I hope, guys, you are able to read my handwriting. Next
Yes.
one
Yes,
is
sir.
Yes.
Copilot Studio. Okay. So, guys, these are the five products which are in Power Platform. So now I will write one word for each product, like what they meant for and which problem they are solving. Okay. So Power BI is there for what?
Visualization.
Visualization or
I would
Data
say
analysis.
data visualizations, right?
Yes.
yes,
Reporting perspective.
Reporting, data visualizations, lots of other keywords, right? So I will make
Interactive
it,
dashboard.
yes, anything you can take, but I will keep it very generic. It is for visualizing the data, right? Then
correct.
Power Apps is for creating
Apps.
Apps,
applications, right?
applications, yes,
Then Power Pages is the solution with the help of which you can create
Website.
websites.
Web pages.
Power Automate is the solution with which you can create
flow,
Automating
automation,
the flow.
right? Copilot Studio is a solution with which you can create chatbots. Okay, so these are the products and these are the problems that this is solving. Now, guys, think of any business around you, whether it is at enterprise level, whether it is at mid range, whether it is at starter level or startup level. Any business around you has all these requirement, and this is the typical life cycle of any business, right? So let's take
correct.
example of what you like. Any, tell me any organization or tell me any product. Let's try to take that example.
Power
Might
apps.
be Power Apps is the platform, right? So, okay, let me put it other way. Most of you must be using Flipkart,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes,
So let us think like the owner of Flipkart. Okay. So if you are trying to build similar kind of solution or might be similar kind of organization, right? So what you will be needing? First thing first, you will be needing application, right? Where people will be interacting and basically getting the stuff, isn't it?
yes, correct.
Then you must be needing a website also to order the
Yes,
products from PC or somewhere.
correct.
Then you will be needing automation. Like as soon as people are
Yes,
placing orders, they should get notifications. Very simple thing.
correct, correct.
You will be needing, might be chatbots also. You want to embed it in your website, might be for support and all,
Yeah,
right? And last but not the least, you will be needing something to visualize the data also, right? How many orders were placed, how many were delivered on time, how many were placed in a specific region, right? How much your sale is growing, isn't it?
yes,
Don't you feel like whatever is required for any business process, you have solution for everything, isn't it?
Yes.
And And the beauty of these products is you can go ahead and you can cross integrate with each other. Like Power Apps can be integrated with Power BI. Power Pages can be integrated with this thing. It can be integrated with this thing. It can be integrated with this thing and vice versa. Okay. So, and you don't need to worry about anything, guys. Today is just we are setting the foundation, okay? Everything we will be covering in the next 3-4 months, where we will be discussing everything like how to start from a basic scratch, and then we will move towards integrations and all. Everything will be covered. So I hope it is clear the type of products, the problem that they're solving, and what is Power Platform. Is it making sense to each one of you?
yes,
Yes.
clear. Yes.
Okay. Now let's go one more level down, guys.
I have one
So,
question.
yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah, you have Power BI and Platform and Fabric. So I want to understand what is the level of, teaching or learning, and what's the difference in both the platforms in terms of Power BI?
Sorry, I think you are asking in Power BI and Power Apps, right?
In Power Apps as well as in Fabric. So I believe Power BI
Okay,
is part
I
of,
will tell you. So
yeah.
basically, look, Power Platform is one offering, which is Microsoft basically labeled it as low code, no code. Okay, and these are the products which are available. Now, Fabric is another offering. Okay, and that is there for data analyst and data engineers. Okay, when Fabric was introduced, the whole and soul intention of Microsoft was to streamline the process where data engineers and data analysts can go ahead and basically streamline their work. Okay. So there also obviously you will have some products. So Power BI is present in both. It is there in Power Platform also, and it is there in Fabric also. But in Fabric, then you will be having all the other products which are there for data sites, like not might be, obviously, Snaps Analytics is there. Then you have Databricks. Then you have few other products. Okay, so that is different domain altogether.
So what is the difference in learning in Power Platform and Fabric in terms of Power BI?
You are comparing three different things which are at different level. Okay, Power BI is the component of Power Platform and Fabric. There is no comparison in that. Okay, so Power BI, which is there in Fabric and which is there in Power Platform, is same. Okay, and if you want to learn Fabric, then you need to learn other products like Databricks. What is Databricks, you know?
No, no, no. I'm new in this.
Yeah, so what you can do for now, keep your mind clear and just understand this basic thing. Power Platform is different domain altogether, and Fabric is different domain altogether. Power Platform is for low code, no code developers. Fabric is for like if you want to become data engineer or you want to become data analyst. Okay.
Yes, but see, my question is, what is the learning difference in? So you'll be teaching Power BI here also, right?
Difference wise, I will be covering everything, whatever is there in the uh, Power BI. But you're not understanding one thing. These are two things: Fabric, Power Platform. Okay, I'm going little rough here. So, Fabric, Power BI, you have Power BI here. You have Snaps Analytic, SNAPSE, Snaps Analytics. Okay. Then you have Databricks. You have Azure Data Factory. And there are lots of other products. In Power Platform, you will be learning Power BI again here. Then you will be learning here Power Apps. Then you will be learning Power Automate and other products. Now, what is the difference? So, if you will enroll in Fabric course, so you will be learning all these things. If you will be enrolling in Power Platform, you will be learning all these things. So, now your question is, what is the difference that we will be learning here? So, in Power BI here, in Power Platform, you will be learning everything, but might be I will not go ahead and I will not tell you, okay, this is the visual, this is how you will draw, drag and drop and all. Okay, all the visuals might be I will not cover. Okay, I will keep it on you. But all the foundational things, all the things which are required to build a Power BI report, that you will be learning here. Might be in Fabric, you may learn about Python. Python visuals. Okay. Might be you will go ahead and you will see a detailed walk around all the visualizations. Okay. So Databricks is what? Databricks is a ETL thing where you will be cleaning your data with the help of Python, with the help of Scala,
SQL.
SQL, Spark, all these things. Okay. So this is different thing altogether, and this is different thing altogether. I hope now it is making sense.
Yes, thank you.
Cool.
I have one question.
Yes.
So in Power Platform, so you will going to cover all the real time activities, especially related to Power Automate. So in most of the projects, like for example, we will be having page netted reports. So using Power Automate, we need to export page netted reports into Excel. So these kind of use cases you will going to cover.
Yes, we will cover it. Just hold on for few seconds. You will be getting to know what will be covered and what will not be covered. Okay. In few
Yeah.
minutes. Okay.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Let
Thanks.
me complete this flowchart because otherwise it will break the entire thing that I have built
Sorry to
for
interrupt.
almost 20 minutes. Okay.
Sorry to
Sure, sure.
sorry to interrupt. One last question because we were
Mhm.
discussing about this. So since Power Apps also takes data from SharePoint and we also work simultaneously with the SharePoint. So I
Hold
would
on, Mohammed.
like to.
I did not told you yet, like from where it will be taking data. Let me complete this,
Oh,
then I will be giving you option to ask questions. Okay.
oh,
Let me
thank you.
complete this first. Okay. So, guys, this is what Power Platform is. Now let's go one more level down. Okay. The further bifurcation of these products. Now Power Apps is further divided into two kind of applications. You might have heard about these. Canvas apps
Why apps?
and model driven apps, right?
Sir, we are hearing something like code apps. What is that? And where does it come fit in the structure?
It is Power Apps only. Okay. So this is Pro Code apps called as Code apps, which is launched, I guess, few days back. Okay. Code apps, Vibe apps.
Why app?
Yeah, that is again different thing. Vibe app. Okay. So focus on Canvas apps, which are using in the enterprises, Canvas apps and model driven apps. Two types of Power Apps and two types of new apps, which are basically in the news in the upcoming, might be they will be used in the upcoming things, code apps and Vibe app. I will introduce what are these. So this is the bifurcation of Power Apps. Now, guys, Power Pages, no bifurcation. Power Automate is again further divided into two categories. Power Automate Cloud Flows, Power Automate Desktop Flows. And apart from this, the database which is out of the box available for share this Power Platform is called as database solution
Dataverse.
Dataverse. And previously, guys, it was called as Common Data
CDS.
Service. So which is called as CDS. So if you see this terminology, so then that means like this is the previous name of Dataverse. Now, apart from this, guys, you can connect your Power Platform data sources with hundreds of data sources, 100 plus data sources. Okay. So what are the data sources which you can connect Power Platform with? You can connect with SharePoint. You can connect with SQL. You can connect with lots of other data sources. Okay. Now, there are few other things also where there are few other add-ons which are available. Okay. So what are the other add-ons which are available? You can go ahead and leverage the AI capabilities from AI Hub. Okay, you can go ahead and basically you can use the pre-existing models, AI models like document processor model, like sentiment analysis models, and might be you can go ahead and you can write prompts. Okay, you understand what is prompt?
Yes.
Prompt, guys.
Little bit.
Can you explain?
Can you please elaborate this one?
Prompts are some instruction which we gives to AI model to get something done.
Very good. So, might be in your day-to-day life, you are writing lots of prompts, right? To ChatGPT, to Copilot, do this thing for me, do that thing for me, do this thing. You have this email, go ahead and fix the issues, right? So, all these things are prompts. So, you can write AI prompts, and that can be integrated with Power Automate, which will go ahead and write the stuff for you. Okay. So, this is for AI Hub. So this is all about Power Platform. Now, cloud flows, desktop flows, canvas apps, model driven apps. I did not told you like what they are, right? So canvas apps, guys, with the help of canvas app, you can create UI focused app. When I say UI focused, then what I mean by that? So basically, suppose you want to have a custom UI of your app. Okay, or I would say the tailor-made UI. Okay. So suppose it is already very messy. I don't want to make it more. So suppose this is your computer screen. So you got a requirement that you want to see here a login button. Here some visualizations should come. Here some fancy button and all. So if you want to have this kind of custom UI, so you can go ahead with Canvas apps. On the other hand, model driven app don't focus on UI. These are data driven apps. Okay. Data driven apps. So you can keep this thing in mind again. Like I can't explain, guys, in detail, like because all these things, Canvas apps will take almost 20 sessions, model driven apps will take almost 20 sessions. So we'll be covering it in lots of details. So for now, you just keep it in your heart. Canvas app, customize UI, model driven app. You can't customize the UI. These are the data driven apps. Then cloud flows will help you automate the cloud solutions which are available. Can you tell me some cloud services which are there?
Azure, AWS.
Azure and AWS.
Are those services, guys, or providers? These are cloud providers, isn't it?
Okay.
So cloud services are SharePoint, OneDrive, Dataverse, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
So if you want to go ahead and perform automation in the cloud services, then you will be using cloud flows. So which kind of automation will be? Might be you will be creating automatic records in SharePoint list, right? Might be you will be creating or deleting or editing the stuff in SharePoint, in Dataverse, in SQL, isn't it? So then you will be using cloud flows for that. If you want to go ahead and automate something which is not on the cloud, it is on the on premises. So then you will be using desktop flows for that. Okay. I hope you are able to relate, guys.
Yes.
Now I will tell you the Power Platform, like it is basically competing with lots of other job roles. So if you must have heard about something called as RPA. I'm writing here RPA.
Yes, it's an old automated process.
Sorry?
It's an old tool that we use.
No. It's not
It's
old
a
term or
robotic
something.
automation.
It means it came very early.
It's a complete different domain altogether, which is called as robotics process automation. Robotics automation. So what are the tools which are in RPA? You know, some tools, guys. You must have heard about Blue Prism.
Yeah.
You must have heard about UiPath. You must have heard about Automation Anywhere. So all these are the tools which are there in RPA. Now, guys, this Microsoft has solution for that also. And what is the solution? That solution is Power Automate desktop flows. So pad flows, like the same thing that you were able to do with Blue Prism, UiPath, and this thing, you can do the same thing with Power Automate desktop flows, which is also called as might be something pad. Okay, Power Automate desktop. So there are lots of projects in the market currently where people have automation written in UiPath and they're migrating to Power Automate Extra because they want to leverage the Microsoft tech stack because it is first thing first very cheap as compared to this thing with the licensing pricing, and it has wide adoption in the market because of Microsoft. So this is for RPA. Now you must be having a very basic doubts like, sir, what is the difference between Power Platform and Dynamics or D365 or CRM? Anyone has this doubt?
Yes.
Right? So, guys, your CRM is nothing. It is the extension of Power Platform, I would say. So, CRM is a model driven app only, but it's a pre-built model driven app. So I will try to relate to you with a very, very simple example that I give to almost every batch. So the main difference between model driven apps and CRM is buying a house and building a house. Let me move to other tab. I'm saying buying a house and building a house. Can you tell me the difference in these two things? Buying and building.
D365 is buying the house. And in our platform, we build the house.
Or the, I would say, native model driven apps will be building the house. So what is the difference, guys? So when you will buy the house, you will get automatically a built house, right? So now, but I suppose I am your builder. I'm giving you house. So I should not tell you where to place your sofa, right? Where to mount your LEDs, where to have your AC wall mounted, right? That is on you, right? You can go ahead and do the interior designing as per your own, isn't it? You're free to do that. Might be I will give you some uh, preliminary setup, but I'm not stopping you to go ahead and buy new things for your house, isn't it? Right, guys?
Yes.
Are you able to relate? Yes, no. Come on, guys.
Yes, yes.
So when you will be building a house, so then you will be starting from scratch, right? First thing first, you will be laying down the foundation.
Correct.
Then might be walls work will start, right? Isn't it? Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Then other stuff, then all these things. So here you will be building the apps from scratch. Here you will be getting pre-built apps, which you can customize as per your own needs. And obviously, MD model-driven apps license will be cheaper because you will be just getting the scratch thing, like you will be building from scratch, and it will be costier, right? Okay. So guys, whatever you are able to see on this screen, this is entire Power Platform. Any doubts on this? Then I will move to PPT.
No. Hi, sir. Sanjay here. What is these Vibe apps?
So BiveApp is nothing, guys. With the help of BiveApp, you can create the apps with the help of prompts. Okay. And it is still in preview. You can create the app and basically you can then extend the app with the help of Canvas app concepts.
So that code apps is available now for development.
Yes, Code Apps has launched, I guess, previous week. So Code App is not for low code, no code developer. It is for pro code developers. So look, Microsoft is trying to cover the broader market. Okay. Low code, no code market is different market and pro code market is different market, right?
Right.
So now Microsoft is trying to go into that market also. So the people who are working through React development, who are working through might be JavaScript development, right? So you can go ahead and create apps using React in code apps.
You mean to say
Okay.
it will be coming the PCF control? It's the same
PCF
like
control is different thing. PCF
okay.
control is like if you want to have some custom control in model driven apps, so then you will be creating PCF controls.
So same thing we can do in the code apps.
Kind of, but it is
Oh,
complete coding.
okay.
It's a
One
framework
more
also.
question. One more question. Is it RPA is the same like desktop flow or it is a different one both?
Okay. RPA, look, RPA is the job role or it's a domain. So then desktop flow is a tool which will be coming under RPA. Okay. The
Okay.
automations that you will be building with the desktop flow, those are called as robotics process automations. Someone said framework, and that is correct word for this. This is the framework. Code apps is the framework with which you can write the code to generate the apps. Okay.
Okay.
So you mean in the Power Automate, we'll be discussing about automating the web applications also, right? Like how we are entering manually data entry.
Yes, we can. We will.
We can do.
Yeah. So, guys, understand one thing. Whatever is required for you to work in your day-to-day job, we will be covering all those things plus lots of extra things. So you don't need to worry about that. And again, I will be walking you through the curriculum. We will be covering everything, whatever is required. And I have not introduced myself yet, right? So I will be introducing myself also. I think Power Platform was more important to introduce. So then I have introduced Power Platform first. So I hope it is clear, guys, whatever is available on your screen.
Yeah, so just a last
Yes.
confirmation. So will we be covering SharePoint as well in this?
No, SharePoint we will be covering as a data source, but if you are talking about writing SharePoint websites, right, with the SharePoint expression language, I'm not able to recall the name. So we will not be covering that. SharePoint development is different thing. Power Platform development is different thing. Here we will be covering SharePoint as a data source. We will be creating SharePoint list, SharePoint sites, SharePoint folder, but
Right.
not SharePoint sites.
Right. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, that's what I
So
wanted to.
that language is SPFX.
Yeah, SPFX. Very good. Thank you. Okay. So expectations, this session is to set the expectations right. Okay. Cool. Can I move ahead? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Oh,
please.
cool, guys. So first thing first, let me introduce myself. So guys, I'm Indrajit Singh. So I have 6+ years of experience in IT industry. I have expertise in Microsoft product, like I have worked on Power Platform, I have worked on D365, I have worked on data engineering side like Databricks and all, Data Factory. Okay. I have expertise in guys working with lots of domains. I have worked with oil and gas domain. I have worked with banking domain, healthcare, food and beverages industry, and lots of mid-level client. Currently, I'm working as a lead engineer at Striker, and I'm associated with KSR Data Vision as a mentor from long back, and I have around 3 years of training experience for both offline and online classes, and I am MCT. So, like all these things, the things that we will be covering, all these things, basically, I'm living it. Okay. So when I say I'm living it, I'm currently working as a Power Platform and MSD CRM solution architect, where we are developing the solution and we are basically solving the problem end to end for our clients. Okay. So whatever things that we will be covering here, you will be able to, all these things are relevant. All these things are the things which I'm working on currently in my job role, day in, day out. Okay. And where we will cover, I will explain you a lot of real-time projects which I have worked on, and everything that you will be seeing in the course, it will be project driven. So when I say project driven, I will explain shortly like how we will be proceeding. So this is all about me, guys. Now, next thing
Excuse me,
is,
Indrajit,
yeah,
in 6 years you reached to architect level. That's amazing.
yes, because if you go in Power Platform, so Power Platform is how much long, old tech stack?
That's right.
Sorry,
Yeah, sorry,
Power Plat
repeat question.
It's
Power
only 5 to 6
Platform
year, but yeah, it's a 5 to 6 year only.
Power Platform is a 6-year-old tech stack. Okay.
Right.
So
2019
you will not find anyone with more than 6 years of experience in the industry. I am working on all these things since Jan 2020. Okay. And when I started working on Power Platform, then the URL was just a sec, guys. I need to plug in my system. Okay. In Jan 2020, I started. And when I started, you know what was the URL for Power Apps? It was make.preview.
Oh, preview.
Power Apps. Okay. I'm working on all these things since then. So I have seen the growth of Power Platform. Okay. So even if you will hire a 20-year experience guy, they can't have more than 5 years of experience in Power Platform. So that is the reason why I'm working as a solution architect.
Uh,
Okay.
One more question from my end, Indrajit.
Yeah.
What's the current demand and supply for the Power Platform developer, and what is the expectation?
That's what we are discussing up in the upcoming slides. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Yes.
Indrajit, can you tell us about your certifications? What certifications you have done?
Yes. All these things are the part of slides. So let me finish this. Then you can ask me the doubts, the things that I missed to cover. Okay. I hope that makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. So who can learn Power Platform now, guys? Anyone who don't want to do a lot of coding. Okay, if you are interested in Excel like formulas, like if you are trying to basically solve a lot of the things by writing less code, so then it is a suitable choice for you. Then if you are trying to switch from non-IT to IT, then this is, I would say, very suitable products or very suitable tools for you, which you can learn by basically solving the problem. I would say in a logical manner, and then basically you can switch to IT. Okay. Then if you're trying to switch the technologies, suppose you're already working in Power BI and now you want to not this is not switching technologies basically. Suppose you're already working in RPA. Now you want to become Power Platform developer. This is switching technologies. Might be you're already working in Java. Now you want to become Power Platform developer. So then it is the right choice for you. Good opportunity for freshers. So basically, if you are fresher and you want to learn something which you can learn quickly and basically then apply in your job. So then it's the right choice for you. If you have some career gap, might be if you are in on maternity leave, if you are on leave due to some medical reasons or due to your personal reasons, then obviously it's a good choice for you. Then cross skilling. Might be you already know Power Automate. Now you want to learn Power Apps. Might be you already know Power BI. You want to learn other stuff. So then it's a good choice for you. So these are, if you are into any of these categories, so then you can go ahead and learn Power Platform.
Indrajit, one question. When you say no coding, don't you think it is vulnerable to AI for automation?
Again, like have you ever seen Power Platform? Like have you worked on that? Like, can you
I
please
have
tell me your
seen
name? It is coming as Oppo or something.
Manish Kumar. Manish Kumar.
Manish Kumar, right? Okay. Yes. You ever worked on Power Apps?
No.
Yes. And I'm not saying you are wrong or something. You are correct at your part, because if I am also outsider, I don't know what is Power Platform. I never worked on that. I will simply get this doubt, right? It is vulnerable to AI, and we will get replaced, right? So what problem AI is solving? Can you tell me that?
Repeated task.
Repetitive tasks.
Automation.
Coding?
If I tell you something, it's an application of AI in real world. People will talk AI, you will work AI in Power Platform. You will deliver AI solutions, AI backed solutions. Getting me?
Sorry, can you come again? AI solutions means?
AI solution means like, okay, I don't wanted to go into that much technical in day zero, but that's fine. So let us take an example of like, oh, I have 30 minutes. Okay, that's fine. So let us take example of a business. Suppose you are a business owner. Now, in your business, you have suppose this system, okay, which is your suppose portal or something. So you are getting PDFs from the people and you are manually exporting the data here. Like someone suppose is sitting here, they are reading the PDF. Okay, candidate name is this, candidate stuff is this. Now suppose you are getting 100 PDFs every day. Okay, so then might be you will be having few people who will be reading it and adding it. Are you able to relate to the problem? What I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Right? Now what you can do with the help of Power Platform, you can streamline this thing. You can get rid of these people and you can automate this process. Okay. So might be previously suppose there were 10 people who are doing this, might be you may need only one people now. Or might be two.
You mean that is what you mean to say about the AI solution?
Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Like this is the application of AI. So now what you can do,
Oh,
you can go ahead and you can create a Canvas app or model driven app, whatever you want to create. So here you can provide a solution, like you can drop your PDFs here. The moment you will drop your PDF, it will be added here in a suppose table. Once you will click on that, you will be able to see in another screen where you will be able to see PDF in preview mode and PDF in edit mode. Now, basically, whatever is there, it is automatically extracted here. Okay. So now these people, they just need to review, okay, if it has extracted properly or not. So once if it is properly extracted, they can click on create button and it will automatically create the record. Okay. Again, I know you are not able to relate to Canvas and what we did here and all, okay, because you don't know what it is. But here you can apply Power Platform and you can automate the process. Now, you don't require 10 people at all. You may be requiring only one or two people. You have taken the job of 8 people and you have automated the process. So this is what? This is AI, right? All of you are thinking about this thing only when you say AI, right? Automating the stuff, isn't it? Right?
okay. Yeah, right.
And you are not doing something in Power Platform which is very irrelevant, right? AI, with the help of AI, like someone was asking me in the beginning itself, right? Like, sir, on the button I need to work and all. So obviously, with the help of AI, you can get the UI stuff, right? Like, suppose I want to create a button which should look red in color, isn't it? So then I will simply ask to Copilot or ChatGPT, give me the CSS for this, give me the HTML for this. But in Power Platform, you don't have that problem. It is already drag and drop. Okay, getting me?
Yeah.
I hope it is clear now. Again, I am not able to recall your name. The guy with username Oppo,
Manish Kumar.
Manish Kumar, right?
Yes.
Okay, making sense.
Still, just wanted to understand. Yeah, I got you. But when you say no coding,
No coding
what?
means you don't need to go ahead and you don't need to learn Python, Java, JavaScript for this. You will be
Okay.
writing Excel like formulas.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay. Now, what is Power Platform? So, Power Platform, guys, you already know we have spent around 1 hour on this Power Platform. So, the Power Platform is a group of products to develop and build business applications, business logic, and these are the things which are there: Power BI, Power Apps, Copilot Studio, Power Automate, and Power Pages. Previously, guys, Copilot Studio was called as Power Virtual Agent. Okay, so this is Power Platform. Now, who will be called as Power Platform developer and what you will be getting here? We will be learning about Power BI, Power Apps, Model Power Automate, Copilot Studio, Power Pages, and frequently asked questions on interview. And then after that, you can basically go into the job market and attend the interviews. So someone asked me about certifications. So these are the certifications which are there for Microsoft. So this is the fundamental certification, PL 900. Then you have PL 100, 200, 400, 600, 500, and this is solution architect. So now, if you are following this Power Platform very closely, so there are few certifications that Microsoft is discontinuing. They say this PL 100 is already gone. It is no longer available. PL 200 will be deprecated very soon. Okay. PL 600 will be deprecated very soon. I think in July or something. Then PL 300 will be gone. If I'm right, PL 500 will also be gone. So now Microsoft is trying to replace all these things with AI certifications. As I told you, like it's an application of AI, right? Power Platform. So they want to rename all these things and they want to give them the names as per trends. Okay. So currently the certifications which are there that you may do PL 900 and PL 400. Okay. Making sense? Yes or no?
But Power BI
Yeah.
Power BI data analysis is something different from the developer. Power Platform, right?
Our Power BI comes in both, in Power Platform also and Fabric also. So
But then,
if you know, like in 2020 and 2023, like if you want to enter into IT, Power BI was enough. Power BI with some with some basic Python and basic SQL. Okay, data analyst.
okay.
Yes.
But what will be the replacement of PL 300 if there is?
Microsoft will tell you that. Okay. And for
Mhm.
that, basically, I will tell you. Like, let me go through this thing and then I will tell you website where you need to check replacements and all. Okay. Okay. Just remind me. Okay. Don't forget this thing. Okay. Next thing, guys, why Power Platform developers are in demand. So everyone wants to digitally transform their business, right? So with the help of low code, no code tool, it is very easy and much faster. So that's why it is in demand. There is shortage of skilled developer. When I say skilled developer, then that means like there are people in the market who don't know everything end to end in Power Platform. Might be there are people who are good with Canvas app, they don't know model driven apps. There are people who are good with Power Automate Cloud Flows, they don't know about other components. There are people who are good with Power BI, but they are not aware about other components, right? So there are very less people in the market who know everything end to end in Power Platform. Then it's a rapidly growing market. When I say rapidly growing market, you can simply go ahead and you can search about Power Platform, not Power Platform, low code, no code growth, right? So then you will be able to see like low code, no code market is growing in double digits every year. Okay. Now, might be you will say, sir, then low code, no code might be some competitors also, right? Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
But my doubt is, my question to you is, have you heard about any other competitors other than Power Platform?
No.
There is one thing, service now I heard. I'm not sure.
Yes, you must have heard some random words here and there, but any applications, any job roles like Power Platform, very less, right? So there are lots of it. Like you have ServiceNow, you have Salesforce, you have OutSystems. There are a lot of them, but Microsoft Power Platform developer has huge adoption in the market, guys. Okay, as compared to any other low code, no code platform. Then versatile. This platform is versatile that you have seen it in the first slide where we have done it. It has a solution for every problem. Okay. So that's why it is in demand. Now, guys, think like business owners. Okay. When I say think like business owner, you have a problem to solve in your organization. Now you have two routes. Either you can go ahead and you can create application with traditional Java or JavaScript development, or you can create with Power Platform development. So with Java or JavaScript, might be it will take 6 months. Might be for Power Platform, it will take 2 months. Here, the manpower you will require is Power Platform developer and might be a tester. Okay. Here you will be requiring developers, might be 2 developers, might be 1 QA, might be DevOps guy, right? Might be a project manager to manage the team, isn't it? Might be a business analyst. So here also business analyst can be there. Like if you are working in typical service setup, service-based setup like TCS, Infosys, right? So you have this much thing. So now suppose you are paying $100K every year to everything. So now manpower cost for 6 months will be huge here, right? You agree?
Yes.
Uh, And here it will be less, of course, because you are having less people. And the important thing is you are getting your product ready in 2 months. You don't need to wait for 6 months, isn't it? It is less time, less money, more time, more money. So as a business owner, you obviously will try to explore this thing, right? Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I have a doubt here. The completion of this course in 2 months, do people need any prerequisites?
Come again.
Do people need any prerequisites to complete this in 2 months?
It's not 2 month course.
No,
It's a
just
4 month course.
yeah,
You don't
approximately
need
it is a
any
4 month.
prerequisite. Only thing that you need is good internet connection and a good laptop. Other than that, everything we will provide you here.
Okay.
And
It
free
is
to
a
learn.
it is a 1 month course.
Huh? Sorry?
I want to know the duration of this course.
It's 4 months.
4 months.
I'm
Okay.
coming to that. I'm coming to that. Everything is there. Okay?
One
Now,
question.
go
In
ahead.
that normal Power Platform, do we have like product owner, business analyst for normal projects?
Look, Shubham, it totally depend on the organization where you're working on, the employee setup. I have seen in the organizations like where they have project managers also, business analysts also. There are in some projects where I have worked everything end to end, right from taking requirement to developing to deploying to everything. It depends on your organization or in the setup that you're working on. We can't generalize it. Okay,
Okay.
cool. Now, guys, next thing is you can go ahead after this class and you are free to explore like how many job opportunities are there. So this is the snapshot that I took from Naukri long back and it is still there. So now who is Power Platform developer? Anyone who knows Power BI, who knows Power Apps, Power Automate, Copilot Studio. This is Copilot Studio, guys, which is called as previously called as Power Virtual Agent. Then you have lots of data connections, AI builder capabilities, and Dataverse. So this is Power Platform. Now, being a Power Platform developer, guys, what will be your roles and responsibilities? Okay, I have tried to generalize it. So you will be working on application design, you will be developing it, you will be testing it, you will be deploying it, you will be maintaining it, you will be collaborating with business owners. Again, guys, these roles and responsibilities depends on your organization, depends on the setup in which you are working in. Suppose you are working in TCS, you are working in Infosys, you are working in HCL. So might be in these kind of organizations, you will have separate people who will take the requirement, separate people who will design, separate people who will be testing it, right? And separate people who will be developing it. But if you're working in some mid-size organization, so then you will be doing everything end to end. So obviously here you will be paid less than here you will be paid huge because you are working end to end. Okay. So again, like a simple introduction about Microsoft. It does not require any introduction, although. So it has backing, brand backing, Power Platform. So that's why it has wider adoption in the market. So there are other products which are there in existence from decades, like Windows operating system, Microsoft Office Suite. So similarly, this is product from Microsoft, and that's why it has lots of openings, and that's why you are sitting here. So now where we can help you as a organization, KSR Data Vision. We will be providing you 100 hours of content. When I say content, I say relevant content which is required to get something meaningful out of it. Okay. You will be having approximately 80 sessions. Okay. Then we will be working on 6+ real-time projects in the classes as well as in homework projects. I will come to this, okay? Then, guys, this is USP of KSR Data Vision, where you will be getting your organizational account and we will be providing you the license to practice. Okay? So, suppose there is a guy called as Anil. If he enrolls, we will provide him organizational account with Anil at the rate KSR consultant services.com. So here itself, he will get all the licenses, Power App license, Power Automate license, Copilot license, Power BI premium license. Okay. Then we will be giving you guidance. Like we will be having frequently asked interview session in the course itself. And you have dedicated placement cell sessions also that occurs every alternate day. Okay, you can join those and get your problem solved. There we have a dedicated team which will help you in resume preparation. I will tell you how to answer the questions, how to tell the interviewers about your profiles. We have tie up with companies that we may refer you there. Okay. Now, as I told you, like about 6+ real-time projects. So, guys, everything that we will be doing will be project driven in the class. You are seeing this PPT for one and the last time. Okay, this is the first and last time where you are seeing this PPT. Now you will not see it in the classes. Only first two slides, welcome slide and agenda slide. Other than everything, we will be doing it practically. So now how 6 time real-time projects, we will be creating one Canvas app in the class. We will be creating, yeah, I want you to create one Canvas app in homework. Similarly, one model-driven app in the class, one in homework, one Power Pages website in the class, one in homework, one Power BI project in the class, one in homework, and there are lots of Power Automate flows and Copilot studios that we will be building. If you count this one itself, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these many things you will be building in the course. And we are not, guys, selling it like something, okay, like people like how it is available. Like if you're building 10 Power Automate flows, then I will say, okay, you will be creating 10 Power Platform projects. No, you will be creating lots of things, and all these things comes on over and like on top of that OTT services, right? Over the top services. So all these things will come over the top of it. But these are the actual projects that you will be building, and Power Automate flows and Copilot Studio also you will be building in the class that we have not counted it. So that's why 6+ real-time projects. So this is about us. So these are few other courses, guys, that we offer: Azure Data Engineering, Full Stack Power BI, Data Science, AWS, Power Platform Developer. If you want to get any details out of this, you can note the numbers on your screen and you can get in touch with us. And I will tell you the projects also that the people have done in the classes. So I will come to that in a minute. if you have any doubts on the screen, you can tell me.
One doubt, what is full stack Power BI developer?
Full stack Power BI developer is different course altogether. Like it's a data analyst course.
Yeah. Maybe let me answer, guys. It's a purely data analytics, SQL, Power BI, Azure, and Fabric. That is a main focus on data analytics and Power BI, only as an individual Power BI tool and complete data analysis. And Power Platform also, maybe Power BI is there, but here the requirement might be different.
Yes, correct. Thank you, Mahesh.
So it's
So you have Fabric in full stack.
Yes, Microsoft Fabric, that's again only Power BI point of view. Fabric is not a course or technology, guys. It's in a cloud environment where you can use data science, data engineering, Python, machine learning, everything you can use under Fabric environment. It's a one lake, we call it as an one lake. Within Fabric environment, we can able to use all the things. There is no requirement to install Power BI there. Directly go to the Fabric environment and log in with your credentials, and you can use it for Power BI purpose. That's the
Sir,
main
for
agenda. It's
Power
like
BI
all in one.
developer. Sir, for Power BI developer.
That is a data analytics, we can say our course. It's not only Power BI developer. We can consider Power BI developer also, but it's only half of the part. Data analytics will be the complete, because we example what I mean data analytics and Power BI. Power BI developer can't become a data analyst. Data analyst can be a Power BI developer. I will let you know. We are main focusing on the content and the concepts, not only the tool point of view. If you are focusing only tool point of view, if suddenly your company given a Tableau, Looker, or else Alteryx, you can't work easily. But here we are going to be teaching the analytics point of view, why we need this visualization, what exactly the business concept, what is exactly their requirement. We are focusing main on that, and out of that Power BI we are utilizing as a main tool for visualization purpose. Example, in suddenly once you got in a job, your client is asking not Power BI, we are using Tableau for this project. You are able to work within a 1 week to 10 days, you will adjust to the Tableau tool as well. Only the interface is different. Rest maximum topics are the same as a Power BI. Why we needed this kind of dashboard only, why we need this kind of charts, like example, only pie chart or donut chart is required, or ribbon chart is required for this tool. Everything we are going to be discussing that course. So core concept is a main agenda, guys. It's not about only particular tools. So you can apply for Power BI developer, you can apply for a data analyst roles for the full stack Power BI course. Here it will be, this course will be Power Platform developer, Power Apps developer, Power Automate expert.
Which course is offering all end-to-end for Fabric?
End-to-end Fabric in the sense you have to be join all the courses in the KSR. Data science, data analytics, and data analytics. These three courses you have to be joined. Here again, Fabric in the sense, what purpose? You don't get confused. You don't waste your time and money there. Fabric in the sense, it's a cloud environment. We conducted almost 10 hours free workshop in our channel. It's a free only. Just to go to the KSR Dataverse YouTube channel, type as a Fabric Bootcamp. Completely we explained what exactly Fabric. But you want to say I'm a Fabric expert means you know all the concepts. Data analytics, data science, and data engineering. Hope you got an idea, or else still got confused.
You mean Power App also included in the Fabric?
No. Data point of view as of now. It's in a cloud environment, Fabric actually.
Okay.
Sir, suppose I wanted to do Power BI developer as a
Sorry? Your voice is breaking, or else it's muted, it seems. Could you please unmute yourself and ask me a question? You want to become a Power BI developer, that's what's your concern?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for that you can join the full stack Power BI or data analytics with Power BI and Fabric course in the KSR. That is evening 8 o'clock, one batch is ongoing. Next batch may start in the June.
Can you share the details about?
Yeah, you can connect with our team. They will help you everything. The course will be evening 8 to 9:30. Currently ongoing. Babu is taking care about that. If you want, you
What's the
can.
name of the course you said?
Full stack Power BI or data analytics with Power BI, both are same. You can just log into our website, datavision.com. Let me share my screen. Let me know once you are able to see my screen. Okay.
Hey, hi. So will it be helpful for the Microsoft CRM also? Will you cover it also?
No, all are different. So CRM, again, it's a Dynamic 365 CRM, SharePoint, different concepts. Dynamic 365, we are going to be start one more batch. That is again another 3 months it will take. You can see this is the Fabric, Power Data Analytics with the Fabric. This is the course you can enroll. Okay. 25th May, we are starting one more batch. It's a morning 8 to 9:30. Same time.
Sorry, what is
Another
the
1
date?
week, it seems.
What is the date?
25th May.
25th May. Okay. So in that batch also we'll cover the Power Automate and all?
No, sir. Again, all are different subject, different concepts. Only Power BI, half of the part is common for Power Platform and Power BI developer or data analytics. Their usage, their agenda is different. Example, car driving and truck driving and lorry driving is different, but all three are drivers only. The usage, the purpose is different. What purpose we are using? Data analytics purely for analysis and visualization. Power Platform for application building and things to do automation. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I have one question with Indrajit.
Yes, sir. Yes, you can ask.
Yeah.
Sorry, Kamalesh?
No, I just want to speak to Indrajit.
Yeah, you can ask him. He was there.
He was there. Indrajit, I have one question that once we turn on this course, okay, so can we get some experience or so what do we mention? So in the resume, so 1 year or 2 year experience should be mentioned, or how much
Okay.
experience
Yes, I
we
got
will.
your doubt. So, Kamlesh,
Yeah,
my question to you, like, how much experience you have currently?
I have around more than 16 years.
Okay. Look, like this is almost 11th or 12th batch, if I'm correct, Mahesh, that we are starting, right? So we have lots of students with different experience ranges. So there are few people who have claimed even 5 years of experience out of this, okay, and they got jobs, and even with career breaks. Even I was talking with someone yesterday in the night. Someone called me randomly at 12. So I picked up the call. So he was facing issues like he has 10 years of experience, and he's claiming 5 years of experience, and basically he cleared he has appeared for 7 interviews, and now he was facing issues like some confidence issues that you will get, right? So experience everything, like if you will talk in one sentence, everything, if you are covering end to end, you are building all the projects that I'm saying, all these are enterprise level projects that
No,
we will
no,
be
no.
building.
My
So
question is different because my
I'm coming to
career.
that. I'm coming to that, Kamlesh. Just hear me out. You can simply claim 4 to 5 years of experience if you are showing
Okay.
that rigor. If you're just if you're just attending the classes, you don't know the stuff end to end. So then even if you will claim 1 year experience, then also you will fail in the interviews. Okay.
Okay.
Getting me?
Really. Because I was into reporting and statistics. I was into Power BI because
Yeah, look, you know you are into
I'm
Power
not
BI.
sure.
I know you are into Power
It
BI.
will make sense to mention Power App as 3 years experience in my resume since I was into some different platform. That is what I'm not
Look,
sure
Kamlesh,
whether
I
I'll.
have interviewed around more than 100 people. I have interviewed the people ranging from experience ranges from 2 years to 25 years. Okay. So,
Who is in
I,
different
I,
platform. So,
yes, hold on, hold on. Easy,
yeah.
easy. Okay. So, look, if
Yeah.
you are saying you have 5 years of experience and
No.
you are not able to even explain the basic stuff, that is the issue, right? If you're saying 1 year of experience, and if I'm telling you what is the difference between canvas and model
Good
driven app,
morning.
you're not able to explain that. That's again an issue, right? So you should know the stuff. So this platform itself is 5 year old. So maximum you can say 5 years of experience, right? Or 6 years of experience, not more than that. So whatever you are writing the number there, so you should sound like you have worked on the stuff. Because I will not go and I will not say, okay, go to your project manager and I will ask, okay, Kamlesh used to work on what, right? So once you have cleared all the 3 4 technical rounds, what are the things that matters? That matters is like I should be having the valid documents from you and all. And I will not go ahead and I will not knock the door of your organization. Okay, tell me what he used to work. Because I want you, right? You have cleared the interviews. I have requirement. I have client to bill, right? I will be basically deploying you to the projects as soon as you join, and I will make money rather than doing all this stuff, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So this is how the things works.
Oh.
So you don't need to worry. I know like all these things strikes in your mind. Only thing that I need from all of you is the dedication, is that basically it's a two-way relationship, guys. I can tell you everything that I can tell you in the class, but even if you are not working on the stuff after the class, believe me, guys, it is not gonna work. Let me be very honest on that. Okay, and there are people like in from a previous batches who had career gaps also, and they got 100+% hike. There are people who got 50% hike. There are lots of people that we don't have any track of. They got placed, and they never came back to us after getting placements. Okay.
Sir, I have one simple question. It's generic.
Yeah, go ahead.
See, how long we may get this kind of recording sessions?
It's 1 year.
It's 1 year. And is there any portal that we are going to be maintained to practice in somewhere?
Yes, you
How
will
it
be
works?
working on real-time development environments, that you will be working on your real-time jobs.
Okay, then everything you guys will be provide the access for that.
Yes,
Since I know
we
little
will
bit about the
suppose.
Power Automate, and
Yeah.
there we need to see lot of permissions is required, right? For example, if it is a web, there need to be a API permissions. Am I correct? Graph
Yes.
API or
You
something else.
got it.
Those things will be covered here, right?
Yes, that thing
To
will be
practice.
covered, and you need to
Why do-
connect to
Hmm.
API. You will be requiring the premium license. So we will be providing you that.
Great, great. Okay, sir.
Okay.
That's good. And one more thing, sir. Sorry, it might be
No,
not
no.
relevant thing, but
Speak.
I'm working from past 12 to 13 years in Hindustan Unilever. Okay, I
Okay.
seen many migrations from one tool to another tool. Okay, we are working from past 6 to 7 years in Power BI. Okay, and
Yeah.
now it was gradually reduced there, and they are using most of the things in apps, web apps or something else. So is Power BI still exist? How you can say that whether it will be further going tool or it was gradually reducing it?
Look, everything will evolve, right, in the current world. And this is, I would say, the USP of IT, right? You keep on learning, keep on, things will keep on changing. If you will keep on learning, you will keep on growing and you will become relevant in the market, right? So it is same with any tech stack that you can hear. Okay. Let's take example of Java only. Java is in existence from last 2 decades, right? But
Yeah, yeah.
there also you are getting versions every year, right? Java 8, Java 9, 10, 11, 12. I think it is now 17 or 18, isn't it? So
Yes, yes.
similarly, like in Power BI also, like I will not say like it will become complete obsolete, but might be like you don't need to do lot of stuff like that you need to do in 2019 or 2020 manually, right? So the effort will decrease and the capabilities will increase, right? That's what the USP, or do you would say the DNA of AI processes is, right? More
Mhm.
work in less effort. So similar with Power Platform also. Here also you can't say, okay, I learned Power Platform in 2026, 4 months. Now I'm sorted for 20 years. That is not going to happen, right? And that I
True.
don't need to tell you, right? Because you are already there from more than a decade in the market and in the industry, right? So it will keep
True.
on evolving. You have to keep on updating yourself.
Mhm. Okay.
Yes.
Thanks for the answer. Yeah.
Thank
Sir,
you.
sir, I have a few questions, sir, related to Power Automate. So, what are the
Okay.
use cases you are going to cover, sir? Because in my project, they are putting me to work on Power Automate, and one of my senior told that the most of the things we need to from page related we need to export to Excel. So these kind of
That
stuffs
is
will be
very
there.
simple thing, Sagar.
So
That is very simple thing. Paginated to Excel. Okay. So all those things you will be able to do after the course.
yeah, this will be covered. So all these things will be covered.
Not exactly the scenario that you're talking about. We will be covering much complicated things than this.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, team, I lost somewhere. Any questions, guys? Indra, anything I need to explain here?
No, Mahesh, I think as of now we are good. Anything, guys, that you want to ask to Mahesh?
Yeah,
So,
from placement point of view, guys, like
yeah,
I can
from
able to tell
placement.
you a couple of things. We have apart from the regular trainings, like Indra will handle almost everything. So current course duration may be little higher than the regular institution in either Hyderabad or Bangalore. The reason we are not just to try to complete the course in 45 days. Maybe it's been 3 years, I guess, with Indra. Initially, the day one, Indra also said is really required. Usually, institution will teach 45 days. But our ideology, not just to take the course, you have to be sustained in the real time. But it's inspired even Indra. Indra is taking classes, 80 lectures without reducing in a single session, 80 only technical topics. So the reason all you guys are already working professionals, 90%, I guess, and you guys have to be go to the any company with at least showing 1 to 2 years experience as a Power Apps developer or platform developer, right? So that one we have to be convince the panel, like the confidence level you are clearing the interview after getting in a job, the confidence levels you are practicing there and working there. That's the reason we are giving Power Apps license, that complete Microsoft license actually. So you have to be practice real-time case studies, scenarios, and projects. Apart from that, we have a Clear My Entry tool. This is completely developed by the KSR team from last 2 years. It's an AI-based mock interview tool. It will help you to clear interviews before going to actual one. And additionally, we have a portfolio building also. If anyone interested, you can able to make this portfolio. You can see the student's portfolio, one of the example. So what's his name, his resume, his GitHub link, his LinkedIn link. He guess he was from data science, I guess. So similar way for Power Platform also. What are the certifications he had, everything. Uh, this is another case. Even her introduction, at least one project handled by her. It's end-to-end project it is. Okay. Similar way, there are a couple of other profiles. Ravi.
I have one question.
Yes, you can ask me.
What do you suggest for someone who is from reporting and visual
Your
domain?
voice is very low, sir. Sorry. Could you please repeat?
Yeah, I'm saying you can hear me, right?
Yes, now better.
Yeah, so I'm saying my question is someone who is working on reporting and visualization, uh, what do you suggest the kind of field someone
Here,
should take?
almost out of 40 people, for sure, 25 to 30 people already working on Power BI visualization. Am I right, guys? Anyone working in here Power BI mostly?
Yes.
Yeah. So because I'm observing the Power Platform course who are taking this course, most of the from last 1 year particularly, 90% they are already Power BI developers, and just to expand their skills, they are joining this. Even the people who are coming from the our organization, their company forcing them to work on Power Apps. That's the reason they people join here. So here again, which course suits you the best in the sense? It depends on your interest and your package. Your package already crossed 20-25 lakhs. I will suggest you to go with the cloud data engineering from data analytics to data engineering. Your package 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, your expectation up to 25 lakhs, then Power Platform is sufficient. Up to 30 also, but it depends on the candidate total years of experience. Up to 30 lakhs, there is no issue. Happily, we can get a job as a Power Platform developer without writing any code. But when it's crossing 30 lakhs package, right? So they will expect more from you, like in architect level roles. Hope you got it right, sir. What's your, maybe if you need to discuss one-on-one, you can give me a call after 11 o'clock. We can discuss.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it
Sir,
depends on your package, depends on your
2 years
interest.
package, sir, with the 2 years experience, how much package we can expect, sir?
So 2 years experience, people can get easily up to 10 lakhs package. And again, good thing will be for girl employees who had a career break, they can get a job. As of now, I'd never promised any student you can get a job even with a career break. But Power Platform recently I observed almost 4 of our students after 2 years, 3 years career gap, particularly for female employees, they got a job with again a package hike, not just in a job, again with a hike, with a decent hike. One student got even 100% hike after 2 years of career break. 24, I guess she left the job due to the pregnancy and maternity leaves. And now again, she completed course and now she got a package of 16 lakhs, from 8 to 16 lakhs. Her total work experience is 4 years. After 2 years break also, she got a 100% hike. I am observing that pattern, even career break also, Power Platform people, they are hiring. Other, it will be very difficult, honestly. Either data analytics or data science or data engineering. Hiring with the 2-3 years career break with a huge package will be difficult. But Power Platform, there is a lot many chances. Reason, demand supply issue. Very less people in the market compared to the demand. It's like a tomato price. Sometimes it will go for 100 rupees, right?
May I know course fee,
Course
Mahesh?
fees will be, it's a 30K for a one time, and maybe installments means it may be increase 1 or 2,000. Maybe in the application it will be available and you can connect with the team, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Any questions?
Yeah, Mahesh and Indrajit, I have two questions to ask. So, with
Yes.
respect to few minutes back, you have told that with respect to licensing. So, I
Hmm.
want to know on the Power Platform.
Hmm.
So, whether under the KSR tenant, each one will be giving a maker access, or it will be a per plan license is been issued. How it is?
It is a student account actually.
Mhm.
Everyone will get a different license with their own names. It will be
Okay.
up to 4 months validity for a practicing and everything. But 1 year you will get access to access your reports, your dashboards or anything. Right?
Means trial will be extended after 30 days, isn't it?
No,
Yes. Yeah,
you
yeah.
will get extended. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Up to four
I will
months.
try to chip in here. So, look, Ganesh, for Power BI, it will be 2 months premium license that will be extended. Okay. Then, look, it is not in our hand to extend. First thing first, let me be very clear. You will automatically get option there in the tenant. You just to click on extend trial and you will get 60 more days. For Power BI, for Power Apps, you will be getting 1 year of license that is equivalent to, as you're talking about per plan and all. So that is equivalent to your premium license. All the functionalities that you can develop with premium license, you will be able to develop with that. Similar for Power Automate. I hope that is clear.
Yes, okay. Okay. And one more thing is with respect to Power Pages, are we going through the visual codes for building the projects, or just the templates we are going to?
Not exactly templates, not exactly code. Okay. We will be covering the things in low code, no code way. I will be telling you everything. I will try to cover every control which is there. we will be covering the security model of Power Pages. We will be covering the settings part, how to set firewall, CDN and all. But I will not touch the JavaScript part because this is low code, no code course for the obvious reasons.
Okay, so we'll be going to how it can be what to say configured. That's what, right? And
Yeah, configurations you can say, yes.
security, governance, and this part where managed.
Covered security, governance, and building the portal through low code, no code way.
Okay, okay, got it. Thanks.
And I may introduce coding part, but I will not solve problems using coding. Okay. But again, like I'm working on this Power Pages websites also day in, day out. I have developed around 5 websites and delivered it to clients. So I will be telling you all the things which are required and all. If you're interested in coding, I can do little hand holding like that again, like only for you, but not for the other people because it is not required, to be honest, to
Yeah.
become a Power Platform developer.
Okay, okay, sure. Because we have a few projects where we want external users to come in and do the some invoicing process. That's why I asked.
Yeah, that thing is simple. That is the governance part, right? How to external user will be invited and all. That thing we will be covering. You don't need to worry about that.
Okay, okay, Indrajit. Thank you.
Thanks.
And
Yeah,
you
sorry,
guys
Dinesh, go
also
ahead,
can check it
please.
license cost, guys. Fortunately, we have an educational partnership with the Microsoft. That's the reason we are able to get at less price. That's the reason we are able to provide you with a very less cost for with including license, the course fees. Here you can see every month we have to pay 1,600 rupees. Only Power Apps. Again, Power Automate is different cost. Power Pages will be cost. Power BI is different cost altogether. But altogether also we are able to make it very less budget price. That's the reason our course fee is also in the limited range. You can see the cost of Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, Power BI. Everything on average, it's there 1,600, 1,500. Only license,
When what
we
is
are
the
spending around
cost for this
1,500 per month. Sorry?
Power Platform course? What is the total cost?
Total course
And
cost will be like a 30,000 for one-time payment. Installments may be 33. Three
okay,
installments you will get maximum.
for 2 months, right? The course
No,
detail?
course will be 4 months, sir.
Oh, 4 months. Okay.
4 months,
Thank you.
80 lectures. That's what I'm saying. 80 classes only. The technical training lectures are 80. That means 22 lectures every month, right?
This is correct. Yep.
Sir, what was the timing?
Same timing, 8 to 9:30. Next 5 classes also you can join the same link, attend all the 5 classes. Once you comfort with the classes, the quality of training, then only you can pay. Other than that, like you can, meanwhile, you can choose any other institution in the even city or else like online. You can compare wherever you felt okay, the teaching style, teaching quality, and the license, what are the services providing by the KSR, you felt comfortable, then only you can proceed further, sir. And in these next 5 classes, apart from this, there are a couple of videos in our channel, including projects, some interview questions, some workshops related to the Microsoft Power Platform. You can check all the concepts. It's mostly by Indra only. So sometimes even some industry experts also we will get, even those workshops also is there. You can check all the classes quality. Maybe you felt it's fine, then we can proceed. Or else, meanwhile, any doubts you have, maybe you can call to our team and they will guide you. Any
I
more?
have.
Yes, yes, you
Oh,
can ask.
wonderful.
Yes.
So which module we are going to start, like Power Apps or
Power
Power
Apps.
Automate?
Now Power Apps.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yes,
Got
yes.
it. And the brochure, the course content, these
Yeah,
things
we'll
will be
share in the group.
available.
Hope you are there in the group, right?
Yes,
Yeah, in the group we will share. Even in the
oh,
website also you can able to download, but we will share in the group also.
oh, okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi Mahesh. I'm student of Santosh.
Yes.
And does he teaching any course currently?
Santosh is teaching data engineering, no?
Data engineering. Okay,
Data
okay.
engineering. He was an expert with the data engineering now. So the reason earlier Santosh used to teach even Power BI also. But our agenda will be the trainer should be work on the similar projects. Santosh from last 1.5 year, he was not working on the Power BI. He was working on data engineering more into the from last 3 years. The reason when the trainer is not working on that particular topics, maybe they also will get outdated.
True.
right? Even Indra, how many days he will be working in the Power Platform? Those many days only he will be the Power Platform trainer. He was now working on Azure concepts. Once he was working on Azure, so even Indra have to be teach Azure concepts. We will find some other juniors than Indra.
Okay.
Intention will be like a clear guys, like the trainer should be work on that particular projects. Then only they can able to explain you in a better way. Okay.
So, is there any new course started for the data science?
Data science will be there no in 25th. Like you can go to our website, it will show all the new batch courses, even on YouTube also we release. Let me share you again.
Hey, it's okay. I will go through your website.
Okay. Yeah, you can see upcoming sessions. So full stack
Yeah, thank you.
Python is started, sorry, generative AI only. Full stack Python and generative AI is one course. Agentic and AI agents. It's completely data science, Python, machine learning, deep learning, and NLP. This is going to be start from 25th May, 7 o'clock. It's not 8, it's maybe typo. It's 7 o'clock. And data engineering from 4th June. Full stack Power Platform started yesterday. Today only we can consider. And this is Apache and Airflow and Kafka only for the data analysts who already data analysts want to add on multiple skills. This will be for short term for them. And full stack Python with the generative AI. This is for mostly for freshers and even who are experienced, who want to build a complete application with AI and all, they can learn this. And for this course, we are offering, including in guaranteed internship, at least 3 to 6 months with most of the startup companies who are building in the websites and applications. Okay. All these courses you can see under upcoming sessions. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
Any more questions? I guess here couple of KSR old students are there. Maybe they completed Power BI long back and rejoining here. Anyone here?
Yes, Mahesh, I'm there.
Oh, Praveen. Okay. Which batch you
Yes,
are from?
Mahesh.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Which batch you are from your Praveen? Like which year?
I think long back ago in 2022.
22. Okay. Power BI at that time?
Yes, yes, same Power BI only.
Okay.
At
Now
that
working on
time,
Power BI?
right now I'm working in Infosys.
Okay. Great. Great. You are currently, which state you are saying? Like which city?
Right now I'm in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay, that's great. So you know, right? Like we came to Hyderabad actually. We are expanding like in a branch here and planning to make it on uh, session like a kind of not session like it's in a kind of meet all you people who are KSR students and got placed. And I'm planning to conduct an event very soon. Mostly it's a June 25th. I will give you the exact date. So
Okay.
we will meet all here in the for an with your family members for a lunch or lunch in Hyderabad. Anyone from
Yeah.
Hyderabad, I will share you that link in the group very shortly. So which batch you are like will maybe small form will be there. You just fill that and will meet all you people. Santosh will be here, Koti, myself, and all our mentors. Even Indra will come there.
Okay, definitely we can meet. I'm just planning in the weekends or in the
Okay.
holidays. Yeah.
Okay, great, great. Any other from Hyderabad guys? Like our old students and Hyderabadis? So very soon we will data is confirmed. The place and venue we will release very soon. Meanwhile, I will share a form today in all our WhatsApp groups. Okay. It's a kind of alumina meet, guys. The alumina meet intention will be like Praveen, you are working already. There is any openings in your company, just explain to our other students. Like you can just share the details. I will share with our teams. Maybe anyone interested, they can apply, and it will be dual benefit. For me, one more student will get placed. For you, maybe referral bonus, you will get it from your company. Right? Those kind of things also we are planning. Any more students from KSR, previous Power BI, or else any other courses, guys?
Yes, Mahesh.
Yeah, hi, hi.
Sulochana.
Okay, thank you. And
I'm from Bangalore only.
Bangalore only currently. Okay, good. Santosh will stay in Bangalore only. I only moved recently, just hardly 20 days back to Hyderabad. almost 14 years in Bangalore. Now due to this new branch only, I moved to the Hyderabad. And Santosh will take care about Bangalore branch.
Okay.
So we will meet soon. Even we'll
Sure.
plan similar kind of sessions in a Hyderabad, Bangalore location, also in offline.
Sure, sure.
So which batch you are from?
2025
25.
November.
Okay. Power BI?
Yes.
Oh. Now immediately you are learning Power Apps.
Yeah.
Okay. Good to know. Any more? I guess a couple of names looks like similar to me. I heard somewhere. Kamlesh. Anyone? Nitin, Prakash. You guys also old student or else?
Yeah, Mahesh. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm 2022 Power BI.
Okay, Kamlesh.
Hi, Mukesh.
Santosh was working at that time.
Santosh for Power BI, yes. Now we have Babu and Ritesh for Power BI, and Santosh is taking care about data engineering, cloud engineering, and cloud architecture.
Suparna.
Yeah, Babu is taking care classes now. So.
Yeah, there's a Suparna injury, Babu, right?
Yes. You know, like he was also once of one time he was a student. Even Santosh also student around 10 years back.
He is also my batchmate.
Your batchmate only. Okay. Now he was a Microsoft super user.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. And Sagar, our Snowflake trainer also, Santosh student only. He was a Snowflake developer, but he joined in KSR to learn data engineering, Azure data engineering, and he cleared almost 8 offers.
I don't know about the complete staff. I knew only about Santosh Suparna.
Okay.
Recently heard about Indra. That's it.
Indra, okay.
Okay.
Good to know.
Yeah.
Okay. Apart from this, any other questions, guys, like a technical related or else like a placement related or else like the support which KSR is going to be provide you? Any of these kind of questions you have? Okay. Hope all good. Like you can join tomorrow also the same link. Next to 4 classes. Today will be the first we can consider. Until Monday, there are 4 good lectures going to be happened. You can join with the same link next 4 classes. Once you felt it's a good, the quality of teaching and the what are the others providing by the KSR, and we can continue further. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Everyone.
Thanks, Indra. We can close the session, Indra.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Mahesh.
We can close the session, Indra.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Mahesh. Bye-bye.
Thank you.